Hello over Unity friends. Over here have a pocket heater. This is a metallic case and here with um, some wool, some not burnable wool, but yeah, what was it called? I don't know the word. Okay, where you put here this coal rod in, and you can light that, and then it burns down and generates heat, and you can snap this, close the lid here, and then it generates heat. Okay, I will do this now and will show you how this works. Okay, next video. Okay, this is such a fiber wool glass mat, and therefore it doesn't burn. And now I will just light this yeah, this rod over here and show you how it works. So it is just glowing then, red hot, and let's see if this already is enough. It will keep on glowing. Yeah, okay. And you put it in here and close the case. Okay. And then you wait till it heats up enough, and then you can wear it in your pocket and have heat all the time, at least how long it burns. Okay. Alright, I will come back again till it's warm enough to say something. Okay, thanks a lot. Oh, I just saw that my carbon monoxide detector shows now some enhanced values of carbon monoxide. I put it now over here. Things. Maybe it's also this unit now. Yeah, it already has heated up. Let's see. Maybe we can measure it. Can do it the other way around. 70. Oh, this puts out really pretty much carbon monoxide gas. Oh, holy shit. don't get too near to this thing. Okay, let's try this again. I disconnect the batteries and start all over. So has gone hard. Oh. Holy shit. So, seems this thing puts really out some huge amounts of carbon monoxide, so I can't recommend using that. Let's see. Try it again. So jetzt hier, wieso ist das hier nicht? Jetzt erstmal das hier ausmachen. Ja. Okay, I will reset it and come back. Okay, I just resetted it and put again the warner on top of the unit. So let's see. Whoa, yeah. Puts a lot of carbon monoxide gas out. So this is not recommended. Okay, let's remove the battery again. And I put this carbon out now, the glowing carbon. So, okay. I hope you saw that it's a little bit dangerous. Outdoor Taschenwärmer. Yeah. Okay. This was it. Okay, for those who can read German language, here they say, caution, the burning of the coal rot produces carbon monoxide. Use only in very good air conditioned rooms. Don't breathe in the gas. Oh man, yeah. Alright, that's it for now. Thanks, bye.